welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be honest, I totally forget what I say in my intros. That just proves it's been way too long. Actually today we're doing an unboxing video and I'm pretty excited. I was dragged to the mall today. Apparently watching movies all weekend is not allowed. So and by we I mean me, convinced my friends to buy this a $40 snack mystery box, and it has Hello Kitty on it. Well, you're gonna totally ignore that. And I'm really excited to try it. So y'all can hear me struggle while I try to open this. And I've got scissors. Will not be defeated by a box. What do we do? Oh. That's everything. You can't see it at the moment, like as I'm getting out each individual thing, but it's gonna be great. I almost should knock my glasses off my face. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, the first thing's this. That. So this is called Ramune soda. Huh? It's wrong. I totally whitewashed that. I totally whitewashed it, but it's fine because I don't speak this language. It's in English. It's like in English, but it's okay. I'd also like to note that I don't know how to pronounce almost anything in this box. So this is all Japanese stuff. So this is called 7 Stick. So I'm just so you all know, I'm just gonna show you what I got and then eat it. Then we can eat it. Wafer cookies, green tea flavored. I actually, that one. I actually don't like green tea flavoring that much, or green tea that much, but I can appreciate those who do. The same thing, but in strawberry. I also don't like strawberry flavoring that much, so we're gonna have a fun time. Oh no. What? There's so many repetitive letters. Caro, Poppy. That's not right. But that's what it's called. And it's in this cute, adorable packaging. So it's only scary if you look real close. Yeah, this has no English on it, so we're gonna. What are you, oh, there it is. Cow? Perfection. I'm speed up a little bit because we're, Kit Kats. I hope y'all have seen those before. Mini Vita C. Oh, the soda again. Oh, it's carbonated? That's dangerous. What is this flavor? Oh. Clear flavor, apparently. I didn't even actually look for the flavor on the first one. Hello Kitty flavor? It's made with real Hello Kitty. Sour paper. Yup. Okay. Pandoro? Melon Pandoro. It looks cute. I mean, the panda on the front kind of looks like he's on drugs, but that's another story. Where's the English on this? Okay, there's actually no English on it this time. I've looked. We're gonna have it analyzed. Oh, more sour paper, everybody. In a different color. That one's blue. Lot pies. I've actually had these before. They're really good. Not the Hello Kitty ones, but this goes against my aesthetic so much. Like, I'm over here with black and like Hello Kitty box, you know what I mean? Why did they give me so many Kit Kats? I don't even eat this many Kit Kats on my own. And then these are rice cake. It's rice cake. Yeah. I'm only gonna open one though because we got 2. So which one should I do? Clear flavor? Hello Kitty made from real kitties? That's what I think too. I'm gonna be honest, hope there's instructions because I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so I did have to read instructions. No, I didn't. I'm just gonna guess. So take this and break it. So, I did scare myself. Oh. I don't want to move my hand. Okay. Can you like not drip down my arm? Okay, well that's gonna be fun. I don't actually taste what it tastes like. Do I just drink it like this or do I actually kick off the cap? Just kidding, it doesn't come off. Tastes like bubblegum toothpaste, which is so concerning. There's the marble. I see it now. I want it. Can I? Alright, I'll just break the bottle later. We're gonna try these next. Even though I don't like this flavoring, maybe my friends disagree with me, but it's fine. They're also vegetarian, so we disagree on a lot of things. How much packaging? Why is everything so packaged? Well, at least it looks pretty. Yeah. Ow. I don't like it. Very accurate to the taste. If you wanted green tea, it's exactly like that, unfortunately. But yeah, I mean, I can understand why people like it. Oh, this is one of the sour papers. Don't rip the paper. I also don't do well with sour food, so we're just gonna we're gonna rip a little bit off. Also, it's gummy. I have braces. Oh, I'm gonna suck on it. Y'all can have that too. There are people in the background. I'm not talking to myself. Next, we're gonna try this. I don't know what it's called because it doesn't have any English on it. It's like a candy heart, I've been told. They're a little paw print. They're not bad. They taste like those Valentine hearts you get. Wow, eat louder, little fairy in the background. But yeah, these taste good. I'm definitely gonna continue eating those. I'll eat a Kit Kat at the end because we all know what those taste like. And if you don't,
evaluate your life.
So, Bauga. It's this tiny little bead thing, strawberry flavored. It tastes like coffee. What? Now it tastes like strawberry. After. Hold on. Yeah, no, I don't like that. I'm telling you, it tastes like coffee. Try the lemon Pandaro. Oh, I broke it. Oh god. It's like obliterated. Oh, that's really dry. I'll eat it. Tastes like lemon and melon, but not like good melon. Lemon. Not entirely sure what it's supposed to be. Oh, it's citrusy. Ooh, I like that. Tastes like oranges. That's mine now. I mean, it was mine before, but it's still mine. Now we're gonna try one of these. They look like crackers. I'm really hoping they're crackers and not some absurd. What? have scissors. Ow! I didn't actually cut myself. I was very close, but I didn't. Oh, they're cute cookies. They're kawaii cookies. I don't taste like cookies. I mean, they don't taste sweet is what I meant. I like them. They're good. The 7 sticks. I'm nervous because anything that's named what it is kind of disturbing to me. Like, you know, like it's obviously 7 sticks. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's wonderful. My eyeliner. No, I'm kidding. Oh, not bad. I have to think of what it is. It's a wafer. It's got cream inside. Not a lot. Not bad. I mean, if you don't like wafers, don't eat it, obviously. But, alright. I'm gonna open a big thing now. Ugh. I've actually already had one of these. But, you know, maybe Hello Kitty makes it different. Hello Kitty, you need to fit in the box better. Oh. I am capable of opening things. I'd like to put that. It's a little pie. Looks like a moon. It's adorable. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's exactly like it did last time. Which is good. It's like chocolate and mellows and stuff. And one more, rice cake. Yep, rice cake. First ingredient is rice. Very informative. I like make myself seem like incapable of doing this in my thing. I promise that isn't true. I can do so. Open the rice cake. Take one out. I actually really like rice cake. Ow. Rice cake with sugar on it. It's good. Tastes like rice. Salty at the end. Was not expecting that. I mean, why'd I eat it? Why'd I actively take another bite of it? Tastes exactly the same. And now a Kit Kat, because y'all can see me eat what I eat every day. Except not, because I don't eat that many Kit Kats. It's a white chocolate one. It tastes delicious. I love Kit Kat. My favorite thing out of all of this was the like candy paw prints that are like the candy hearts. And moo pie that I didn't finish. Or whatever pie it's called. I hated this. Never get this in this flavor. We got all of this from Lolly and Pops, the Natick Mall, for $39 technically. $39 even. It's a beautiful, wonderful box. They have a lot of good candy there. I just felt like spending money unnecessarily. The box was good. I personally like most of the stuff in here. Anything I didn't like, I gave to my friends who will appreciate. So, makes a good gift box, if anything. You don't know what you're buying when you buy the box. So we were really curious. The box itself is adorable. I recommend it to people who want to like buy something crazy for $40. But yeah, it's really great. It's got some nifty things in here and I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry my videos are kind of all over the place. It really depends on when I'm with my friends and when I'm not. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'm actually making an Instagram. It's in the process of being put together. And I'll be doing challenges and stuff soon and giveaways and stuff like that to like help us lift off.